Hello everyone! Today we're going to dwell into a DIY face mask. The star ingredient of our mask today is okra or lady's finger, and we're going to use the internal slime of this okra or lady's finger, which is a great alternative to the Korean Snail Mucin, which is going viral. This is also a great vegan or cruelty-free alternative if you feel uncomfortable with using an animal byproduct. So we're going to use okra, some aloe vera gel, some lemon peel and some rose water. So let's dwell in. So we're going to start off by taking about 4 to 5 okra and we're going to slit it open and de-seed it. And then we take the remaining part of the okra or lady's finger and place it in a bowl and pour some hot water. We should let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, we can start off with our other ingredients. While we have the okra soaking in hot water, we're going to take about 1 to 2 lemons. It depends on the size of your lemon. And we're going to grate just the peel of it. You'll need about 1 tablespoon. So depending on the size, you'll need 1 or 2 lemons. Next, we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of rose water and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can either use fresh aloe vera gel or store-bought aloe vera gel. Now that we're done with 5 to 10 minutes of the okra soaking in hot water, we're going to take out the okra from the hot water and add it to a blender, while we also add the 2 tablespoons of rose water and aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of the lemon peel powder. And now you blend it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can take the whole mixture and apply it on your face. You can also scrub it in a little bit and it'll probably feel sticky and gooey, but that's the whole point of it. And then you can leave it on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm going to apply the mask to my face that we've just made, and this jelly-like consistency is what you should be hoping for. So I'm going to take it into my hands and going all over my face. As you can see, it's super gooey. And you can see that stretchability that it has. You can see it even in my hand. As much as it feels really sticky, it also feels really good and satisfying for some reason. Gonna go down to the neck, which you shouldn't forget. I'm gonna go in with some more just cause I feel like I need some extra. Now I'm gonna let it dry for 15 minutes. Now that I'm done with 15 minutes, I'm going to quickly wash my face. Just be wary that it's not going to feel extremely dry. It's still going to feel a bit sticky, but when you're done with 15 minutes, you can wash your face. Wow, so my skin already feels so much more hydrated and tighter, especially on my forehead and my cheek area. And if you do have sensitive skin, you can avoid the lemon peel, but this mask is a definite must try. And it's going viral, so don't forget to try it out. If you want to see more DIY face masks, let me know. Until then, see you in the next video.